Put the NexiusZoom on a flat and stable surface. Assembling the microscope. The foil protecting the mirror and the base needs to be removed. Attaching the head holder. Attaching the incident lighting. Attaching the head. Make sure the screws are fully retracted. Remove the lens cap. Placing the eyepieces. Make sure the Allen screws to secure the eyepieces are fully retracted. Fixate the eyepieces with the Allen wrench. Placing the eye shades. Installing the photo tube. Turn the top of the tube up or down to focus the camera. Remove protection of the object clamps. Swap the standard object plate for the transparent one. Turn on the main power. Note the way to adjust the incident light and the transmitted light. Put the head in its starting position. Use an easy object such as a piece of paper. If the transmitted light is insufficient, add some incident light. Move the tubes until the image appears as one circle. Choose the smallest magnification and focus roughly. Use the fine focus knob for accurate focusing. If the focusing tension is too light or too heavy, turn both focusing knobs in opposite directions, until the friction is correct. Turn the eyepieces to match the zero with the mark on the stationary part. Choose the smallest magnification and focus using both eyes. Switch to a higher magnification and refocus. Close your right eye and focus with the left diopter adjustment ring. Turn the diopter adjustment back a few divisions. Reset your eyes by looking in the distance for a few seconds. Close your right eye again and focus with the left diopter adjustment ring. Repeat this procedure for the right eyepiece. Place a sample on the object plate. Choose the smallest magnification and focus. Use a higher magnification at will. A simulation of the effect of the rotating mirror. At the end of your session, remove your sample and switch off the main power. Cover your microscope.